Hey, it's Jeffrey Kirk again. Welcome back. This is part 2 of the SEO optimization series. In the previous segment, I tackled 5 critical SEO issues and explored how to address them effectively. If you haven't seen that yet, you'll find the link below. Now, let's dive into the next 5 challenges so you can learn more ways to boost your website's performance in the search results. Let's get started. Here's problem number 6. You're ignoring image optimization. Images enhance your website's visual appeal, but if they're not optimized, they can also drag down your site's performance. Using images can improve how easily people find your website through search engines, but only if the image names and descriptions are set up well. When you name your images, make sure the names describe what the image shows and includes keywords people might search for. And use hyphens to separate the words in the names. Also, each picture should have a description called an alt tag that explains what the picture shows. If relevant, appropriate keywords can go here too, do it. Put them in there. These alt tags help Google understand your website images and make your website more accessible to people with disabilities. And remember to compress images to reduce file size without compromising quality. Number 7, your site has duplicate content. Having thin content and duplicate content across your site can confuse search engines and lead to lower rankings. That's because this does not provide much value to your visitors. Regularly audit your content to ensure that it's unique, informative, and relevant to your audience. Remove any duplicate content and consider expanding thin content with more depth and insights. If you find duplicate content, here are 4 things you can do about it. Number 1, change the wording to make each page unique. Number 2, use a 301 redirect to guide users from the duplicate pages to the original ones. Number 3, use the rel equals canonical tag to show which page is the original. Number 4, use the no index tag to tell Google not to include the duplicate pages in search results. Okay, item number 8, your site has inadequate internal linking. An internal link is like a signpost on a website that directs you to another page or place on the same website. Internal links not only help users navigate your website, but also help search engines in understanding the structure and hierarchy of your content. These links matter for 2 main SEO reasons. Number 1, they help search engines like Google explore and understand all the pages on your website. And number 2, they can make certain pages stronger in the search results by sharing their strength with other pages. The problem comes when certain pages don't have any internal links pointing to them. These are called orphan pages. When this happens, search engines might struggle to find and understand those pages. This hurts their chances of showing up in the search results. A more common issue is that some pages could do even better in the search results if they had more links from other relevant pages on the same website. By being intentional about linking relevant pages within your website, you can improve user experience and boost SEO. Problem number 9, you're ignoring analytics. How do you know if your SEO efforts are paying off if you're not tracking them? Google Analytics remains a cornerstone of understanding your website's performance. And with the transition to Google Analytics 4, often called GA4, it's more important than ever to stay informed about the latest features and changes that could impact your SEO strategy. GA4 introduces a more user-centric way of tracking, focusing on events and user interactions across platforms and devices. This marks a significant shift from the session-based data model of universal analytics to a more flexible, event-driven model, allowing for a deeper understanding of user behavior. Set up GA4 to monitor your website's performance, looking at traffic sources, user engagement, and the effectiveness of your content. One of the key features of GA4 is its ability to track users across different devices, providing a more cohesive view of the customer journey. Additionally, GA4's improved machine learning capabilities can unearth insights and trends that might otherwise go unnoticed, offering predictive metrics such as potential revenue from specific customer segments. Regularly analyze the data to identify areas for improvement and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. pay special attention to the new engagement metrics in GA4, such as engaged sessions, engagement rate, and engagement time. These offer another view of how users interact with your site. Embracing GA4 and its new features will not only enhance your ability to track and understand your website's performance, but will also provide valuable insights to refine your SEO efforts and drive better results. And problem number 10, you're not optimizing for local search. If you run a brick and mortar business or you provide services in a specific geographic area, mastering local SEO is crucial to ensure your target customers can find you. Start by claiming and optimizing your Google Business Profile. This platform is your digital storefront within local search results. Take advantage of this to significantly enhance your visibility. Beyond the basics of ensuring your business information is accurate and consistent across online directories, take advantage of newer features like posts in your Google Business Profile. These posts allow you to share updates, offers, events, and more directly within the search results and maps. Doing this can engage potential customers and keep your business top of mind. The consistency of your local citations across the web cannot be overstated. Ensure your business name, address, phone number, and website are uniform everywhere they appear. This consistency helps search engines trust the accuracy of your business information, which can improve your local search rankings. Additionally, encourage your satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Genuine positive feedback not only boosts your business's credibility, but also signals to search engines that your business is trusted and valued by the community. If you haven't yet claimed your Google Business Profile, or if you're unsure how to fully leverage it, I've covered this topic extensively in a recent video and an entire playlist dedicated to Google Business Profile optimization. Check out the playlist link below for a deep dive into making your business more visible and attractive in local search results. So there you have it. By addressing these common SEO issues and implementing the suggested fixes, you'll be on your way to improving your website's visibility, attracting more visitors, and achieving your online goals. Remember, SEO is a journey, not a destination, and staying on top of these issues is key to maintaining and improving your website's visibility within the search results. And I've got another bonus for you. I put together an SEO Audit Checklist. This contains actionable steps to optimize your website across 10 critical areas. It's free, and you can get it at upatdawn.biz/10audit. Go get that right away. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on improving your website's performance. Your business deserves to be seen online, and I will help you get there. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.